Hey guys, it's me. I know I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. It's because I'm busy with school and high school. High school, yeah. Like I'm in high school already and yeah. So, I heard that my room practically. I'm just listening to music. I don't know. See, here's my iPod. Nano, small. See what's in this little box. See, say iPod Nano. This is my dream. I like this a lot. And Thursday. So, my binder from last year. 7th grade. Yeah. Pretty much is over with. Still have a lot of papers in there. I didn't even know I had that. Okay. My trophies when I went to dance class. That's where I went, Dancing Beat Studio. I got most improved. That's, same thing. And then I got perfect attendance. Even though, yeah. See, I was the best. See, I danced. I danced really good. Yeah. Okay, you know this girl. Okay. This girl. Wait. I'll show you. This girl. Oh, wait. Hold on, let me find her. This girl. That girl. Her name is. Correctly. People. Oh, these people. Her name is Maria Guerrero. Whatever. Her last name is. Well, that girl right here was talking rap about my best friend. My best friend. Where is she? She has to be in here. Her. She's talking about my best friend Janae and me. What did we ever do to her? Like, hello? You know we got feelings. Hello? I don't know. Good thing she didn't write on my yearbook this year. In 7th grade she did. She said this. Wait. Okay. Oh, in 7th grade. I'll pick that up. Okay, in 7th grade she put, you were nice to me in math, language, art. Yeah, have a great summer, Marisa. So mad at her right now, like really, she faked my face. And she talked crap about my best friend. No way, Missy. No way. No way. No way. Whew. Say, Alyssa, please don't tell Janae, not my best friend. But please don't tell her, because I don't want to start any drama. She cannot tell me what to do. Like, she's not my sister. She's not my mom. She's not my dad. She's not my grandma. She's not my grandpa. She's not my uncle. No, they're not. She's not supposed to be. Is she? No. Gosh, man. I'm just so mad right now. I just like this. Anyways, me and my friend Marie and my friend Tiffany are making fun of this kid named this kid named hold on. We're making fun of this kid named Hector, but this one name. That's what Marie said. So we make fun of him. We sing this song. Nana, what's your name? Oh, Nana. Then you say, oh, Nana. Then funny. Go. No. Okay, this kid, I don't know his name, but I don't want to say anything. Yeah. I'll tell you in the comments. Yeah, what is old? On the pen, in my diary. So this is my diary. This is my diary. I'm going to take it to school one day. Because people ask me, who do you like in this school? Who do you like in this school? And I'm like, good, I have to tell you that, and my friend, well, Marisa, she's not my friend. I'm not going to be a friend anymore. She has to tell me before she leaves my friend. She's like, sister, do you like anybody in this class? I'm like, no, I like somebody out in the class, and not in the class. I'm like, hello? She don't need to know. Oh yeah, this is from 7th grade. My best friend Maddie gave me that sticker before she left. Before she moved, I cried. Because she was like a best friend to me, and to me too. She is. Yeah. Yeah, I might write my friends something. Because they mean a lot to me. Don't your friends mean a lot to you guys? Yeah. They mean a lot to me. Like my best friend Janae, I love her so much. She met in 3rd grade. I'm glad I met her. Well, so, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this to your friends, because I really want to reach up to, like 100, just to 100 by my 50th birthday, or 1,000 subscribers by February, or by my birthday. Because it will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I love my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing me, supporting me. And yeah, bye guys. Peace.